morning, you guys. Buen Camino. It's 7:30. It's so dark out right now. It looks really bright on camera. It's not. I'm leaving Villadongos right now, and I hope that's what it's called. I don't actually know. And I'm heading to Astorga. It's 16 miles. I said last night that it was a really boring hostel, so I thought it would be a good opportunity just to leave early. This is the earliest I've ever left. I had my own room, so I could like turn the light on and stuff. Am I going the right way? Yeah, there's the Camino. Yep, 16 miles today, and I didn't realize this until yesterday, but Astorga's like a beautiful city, so the trail guide recommends you spend 2 nights there. I'm not gonna do that, but I'm glad I'm getting an early start so I can hang out there all afternoon and night. Hopefully I'll find Kayla along the way. I don't know where Kayla is. I haven't heard from her since yesterday. So I'm really glad I just stopped for a coffee break because I was able to talk to Kayla and find out she's on a bus because her ankle hurts. Good. But also, I just downloaded every single Taylor Swift album on Spotify. I've listened to Lover like literally once a day this entire trip. So then I downloaded Reputation and I listened to it like once a day the past week. So now I've downloaded all of them. And I'm gonna try and figure out which album's my favorite. It's my big goal for the day. Red's been my favorite for years, but now I need to find out if that's still true, you know? I'm in this cute little town that wasn't on like the map I have on my app, and I left that other town that I was just at, and it was so cute. I had no idea I was like walking through the most boring walk this morning, and then all of a sudden I'm in the cutest town with that bridge. It was amazing. But I really needed to eat lunch because I'm about to go on a 7-mile stretch. Or I think I already started it, but I passed by all the restaurants and I got to the edge of town and I was like, oh no, shoot, like I didn't want to walk backwards, so I had like a chocolate bar in my backpack, so I thought I'd just keep walking. But then I ended up here after I walked through a corn maze, literally, or a cornfield, and I found this bonus town, but they also didn't have any restaurants open. However, I did get to go to a little grocery store and I got some food. And I walked into this albergue, and this sweet little woman named Christine, who's from Belgium, who moved here to open an albergue, she let me sit in her garden and eat my lunch. And so I talked to her for a little bit. And that was really nice. It's actually only 11:30 right now. I really thought it was like 1 o'clock, which is why I was kind of stressing about eating. But it's only 11:30, so I'm gonna head on my way. I think I have like 6 or 7 miles left, maybe more. I have no idea. I made it to Astorga and it is incredible. I just found out there's a Gaudi cathedral. Gaudi is an incredible artist. I'm obsessed with him. He designed like the Parc de Güell and like most of Barcelona. So I don't know what this cathedral is, but I'm about to go in it. I'm eating a bunch of popcorn right now, so as soon as I'm done, I'm gonna go in there. I haven't found Kayla yet, but I saw her backpack at the albergue, so I know she's around. This city is so pretty, and I'm so grateful because my knee's feeling good and I have a lot of energy, and the day is young. It's like 4 o'clock.